نموت في غزة عشان كيس طحين.
عشان نلعب. كنا من الجوع. انقذونا يا الله انقذونا. كل يوم بدك وجع. امشي ارض الله.
لماذا حكام العرب؟
وين المساعدات تطلع
المجهول لا نعلم ماذا سيحدث.
خسيت يا نتنياهو، والله خسيت.
Hello and very warm welcome to RAFLIMS. This is Farooq Hussain. In this hands-on video tutorial, we will learn how we can migrate Koha old database to new installation. By database, I mean MySQL database or Koha master database or the Koha backup from old version to new version. So let's start this video. Here I am on the new version of Koha and I have installed Koha 24.11, which is slightly new, and we are going to migrate Koha 19.11 here. And I have already take the backup and downloaded here in this folder, but I'll show you how you actually take the backup. So this is actually MySQL dump file, and you can see this file is 375 MB. But let me show you how you actually can take backup from your old version. Let's suppose this is the old version and you need to take backup from this version of Koha. So we will start with the Koha, it's called terminal, by pressing Ctrl Alt T and write the sudo su to activate the admin mode, and then here we need to run this command. This is the step 1. So in step 1 we need to run this command. I'll show you. Okay, now you can see we are going to create MySQL dump as the root user. You can see root and it will ask the password. Koha is actually here, that is prefix of the database, and then your instance name. My instance name is library, so you can use your instance name, and then this is actually the file name, koha underscore library dot sql. So when we run this command on our terminal, here in the terminal you can see. Okay, I'll paste this command here and I'll show you. Here on the home folder, you will see it will create a file. And I press enter. Okay. Now when I press enter, it will create a file here. It's actually asked password, so I just provide the password here, and it's creating, and you can see it's done now. So this backup of Koha is 7.9 MB. Okay, so my system is the latest, and it has 17 records, but I want to migrate the old version here, which is 19.11, and it has some 15,000 of records. So here I have the backup, so I just copy this backup and I'll put that backup in the home folder again. So here I have put that backup, and now so we're done with the step 1, that is the backup old Koha database. So we have done this and we have transferred that backup to new server at the home folder here. Okay, now you can use this command, but this is not actually a big deal. You can use a flash drive, you can use a Google Drive or any other OneDrive, so you can transfer to that sources. Now at step 3, so we need to drop this database. I mean, this Koha database I need to drop in MySQL shell. So I need to log in as MySQL root here. So it asks MySQL password, and I just enter MySQL password, and now you can see it's activate the MySQL root here, shell here. So we need to drop first MySQL. I mean, that is the database. This is database we need to drop, and again we will create this database. So you want to create some other database, or your instance name is something else, but Koha is actually prefix, and you can change this name. If your instance name, the old instance name, whatever your old instance name, you will put here. Your new instance name you will put here. I mean, you will write here, and then you need to exit. Okay, so I just drop my old database here. I mean, this current database here. Now you can see drop database, that is Koha underscore library. Now it has dropped. At next step, I am going to create a new database. You can see it has effect with 275 rows, and here we have only one rows, and it has created. Now we need to exit from the MySQL. Okay, so now at step number 4, we need to restore old database that is available at the home folder to this new database that we have created right now. Okay, so use this command. Again, it's actually MySQL database, and the user is root, and then it will ask the password, and the Koha is actually prefix, and we have the library, that is our database name, and the file name is Koha underscore library dot SQL. We use this command and we paste here. Let me clear this first. And we press enter. It will ask the MySQL password, and I just press enter because this system has no MySQL password. Now it will take some time to restore that backup to this system. I mean, the old backup to this new version. Okay, it's done now. So now at step number 5, we need to upgrade the database schema. So this command actually will restart the MAM caches. There are two commands actually, and then upgrade the schema for library. Okay. So it actually restart the MAM caches, and then we are going to upgrade the schema for library. Okay, so it has done. Now at the next step, we need to rebuild our Zebra. Zebra is actually the indexing system of Koha library system. We just copy this command and we need to run it full. Let me clear this. And now you can see this command will actually rebuild the zebra index. So it's actually start exporting biblios 1 to 100, 101 to 201, 200, 200 to 300, 300 to 400, and this way it's actually export 15,000 records. We need to wait here, and I just pause my video here. When it may complete, I'll join. So let us see what happened. So it has done. It has exported all clean. So here is the number 15,301. Okay, now after this, we need to, I think we need to start all services. Apache. MAM caches again. Okay, let us start all Koha services. Okay, done. So we're done with this. Need to check the password as well. For in case we need to log in with this. Okay, now save this and exit here. Okay, now let us move to the Koha system. So, okay, now we need to log in again here with the username that I used there, and that was okay, I don't remember actually. Okay, finally remember. Okay, so it's log in with that password, and here we can read this. So it it will take few time here to log to start up to start this. So now you can see it has 11,134 books. So we can actually check all items. Those are 15,000. So books, and other than books, we have archives, we have reference material, dissertations, and this is actually following the theme of that database, the same exact theme. You can see 3,905 to this. And there we can also search an advanced search. Not only search, we can also check the patterns. We can check the circulation. We can check the reports. Each and everything actually from the old database restored here. Now you can see this is 15,000, and there must be some write-off video books. So it's not 15,300, but there must be some write-off books as well. And all you can see this is actually describing the collection, item types, and each and everything like the old database. And this database is actually 19.11 that we have restored in 24.11. And in reports, you can go in reports and work with reports, use saved. If there are any report, it will be available here. So you can see they have 34 reports, and all 34 reports are available. And then patrons report. So there you can search any category, the students category, faculty categories, or whatever. See, so we can convert this to block, and it will run faster. Okay. Okay, thank you very much for watching RefLimbs. This is Farooq Hussain. In this hands-on video tutorial, what we did, we have successfully migrate an old database to this new installation of Koha. So we learned how we can take backup with a single command only, and how we can restore that backup to the new version of Koha. So this is not for too old system. I mean, if you are using Koha 3 point something, so this actually not work. So you need to work with alternate ways out. You need to take backup as the mark file, as you need to take backup of your pattern as the CSV file, and then you need to work around. So there's a video available for alternate backups of and restoration of Koha on my channel, so you can watch that video as well. But this video is to take dump backup, I mean the one file backup of MySQL, and then you can restore that backup to the new version. So if let's suppose you are using 19 or some prior version of Koha, so then you can work with this. So keep watching RefLimbs. Thank you very much. Subscribe this channel, and of course like and share this video.